Hey guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas day 4. I believe this is day 4, and today's gonna be a really good day. I've gotten up, I got ready. I do want to stop by TJ Maxx. I really want to get some stuff for my vanity. I'm trying to get it together, get it set up. And I want to get some organizational stuff to organize my makeup on my vanity desk. And I just got a package in the mail and I want to unbox it with you guys. Super exciting. I have been waiting for it to come in. And the package is from none other than Louis Vuitton. So let's open this thing up. Cool. So like the way they did the packaging, I don't want to show you guys the box because I don't want to show you guys my address, but you would never know that it's from Louis Vuitton. I usually buy it in store. This is my first time actually buying online, so you would never actually know the package is from Louis because how they have it set up is that the label is on the inside. So that is really smart. Came with this here. It just probably has receipts and authenticity stuff. And then the beautiful orange box. Okay, so I'm opening up the bow currently. Don't mind my nails. I got a little oil on the box because I'm like doing my makeup up here, so don't mind that. But oh, let's open it. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. This is what I got, guys. I got me a mini Pochette. Oh my goodness. So my sister had purchased this and that's where I really got to see it in person. And I was like, that is so freaking cute. This will be perfect for just grabbing on the go to run errands or going out a night out on the town. And it just seems like so perfect. And then I found out that they were actually really hard to get your hands on. So I started kind of just occasionally looking at the Louis Vuitton website at weird hours, like, you know, maybe if I woke up in the middle of the night, I couldn't sleep, I would check it, or wake up in the middle of the night, go pee and maybe check it early in the morning, like middle of the day, just weird random hours. And I think it was late night, one night when I couldn't sleep, I had looked and I found it and I was really excited. I purchased it right away and it pretty much came the next day. It was so quick. So I have been waiting to unbox it with you guys, and this is it. It is so cute. Again, this is the Louis Vuitton mini Pochette in the damier ebene print. And if you guys are interested in seeing a video of what fits in here or what I put in here, just please comment down below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. It's so cute. I can't say enough how cute it is. Yeah, I love this. Love this. I'm not a huge fan of the monogram print. So when I saw that this was available, like, I was so excited. I put it in my cart right away and I got it. I think it's so cute. I don't think it can fit like under my arm, but you could definitely change it up and make it a full-on wristlet like this, which is so cute. And like, I used to have a Coach wristlet back in the day, so that's like kind of really reminiscent of that. Just for running errands. I have the key clay. Like, I would maybe attach it on to the side with my keys and run errands. Lately, with, you know, everything going on, being in the house, I really haven't been going anywhere that much. And if I do go somewhere, it's like just quick out to the store and back, out to run errands really quick and come back, grab gas. I don't spend a lot of time out anymore, so my need and desire for like a really big bag has definitely gone down. So something like this is like super convenient for me and what I got going on in my life right now. So I'm really excited to have it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's just the cutest little thing. So I do have a Louis bag on my Christmas list. We'll see if I get it this year or not. I'm thinking about the Neo Noe in the pink color or the black color. I haven't really decided. I'm still super obsessed with the Alma BB. What else? I love the Speedy now, but I heard that's really hard to get your hands on. So currently I'm about to go leave the house to run a couple errands. My sister and I really want to find some mulled wine. We were going to try to make it ourselves, but I think we want to try it first to see if we even like it. So there's a store called Total Wine that sells a pre-made mulled wine. If you guys don't know what mulled wine is, it's called Glühwein. It's German, and it's that kind of warm, hot wine. The wine you serve hot, that you cook on the stove with like spices and whatnot. So we're like really in the mood for that. We want to drink some of that, watch Christmas movies tonight because she is off. So they wanted to twin with me today. Okay, twinning. Twinning with the sis today. Cute. They're so cute. Uh-oh. We just pulled up to Total Wine, and we're gonna go see if they have this Glühwein. We drove a good like 20 minutes just to see it. Sis says more like 30 minutes just to see if they have it. But I mean, we're not just coming here for just the Glühwein. We're probably gonna get, if they have it, we'll have a couple bottles of it, and we'll get some other wines too. Ooh, they have lick here. What? They have lick here. I thought they couldn't sell liquor in Maryland. Oh, should we get another Fireball? We still have some. You want another one?
Because I really love it a lot.
How much is it? So this is like low-key really overwhelming because this is like pretty much any kind of bottle of wine you've ever tried is probably in this store. If you guys can see all around. Guys, if you've never tried it, you have to try this Di Serono Velvet Cream liqueur. It is so delicious. This is what we have so far in the cart. So the actual kind of wine that we came here for is sold out, so they recommended these instead. This is the Firebrand Spice Blend. And then this is the Sweetland Cellars Spice Wassail. What is it? Wassail. So we're gonna try these, guys. This Stella Rosa Blueberry is amazing. If you've never tried it, you have to try it. It's so good. We're getting one. All right, guys. So we are about to make this mulled wine. I got the... All right, guys. So we're about to make this mulled wine. I got these glasses from the dollar store. I thought they were so cute for like hot cocoa or hot drinks. I just thought they were really cute. So my sister and I wanted to try this. This is actually not the exact brand that we went into the store for. That one was all sold out. So that does lead me to believe that that one is actually really bomb. But we'll try to get our hands on that later on. And so I wanted my sister to really try it, and so we got one to try, but we will probably be attempting to make our own later this month, sometime this month. So basically I'm just about to pour this in the saucepan and just slowly heat it, slowly simmer it, and then we'll be able to try it. And then pretty much tonight we're just watching Christmas movies. I think we're gonna start with Jingle Jangle. We're just having a night in, chilling with our spiced wine. We think it's done, so we are going to serve it up. It's hot. I think that's good. What if we don't even like it? Okay. I'll taste it first. All right, you be. I'll be the judge. Since I've tasted it before. I'm scared. Be careful. It looks like it's really hot. It's good, but it doesn't really taste like the Germany one. It's good. Let me taste it again.
I mean, nowhere's gonna compete better than Germany. Come on.
It is good though. It's not bad.
Features a delicious combination, sweetened with apple, cinnamon, vanilla, oak, and citrus notes.
It's not bad. You try it. So the verdict is that my sister doesn't really like it. And I think it's good. It's not bad, but it is not like the one I had in Germany. Obviously, you know, it's going to be hard to stack up to the real deal. But I was thinking it would like come close, but I don't think it is. So we are going to try to make our own. That's going to be in a video coming up. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Alright guys, so that is pretty much all I'm going to be doing for this evening. We're going to curl up on the couch and watch Christmas movies downstairs in the basement, but that does conclude Vlogmas Day 4. If you did like today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, like, all of that good stuff, and come back tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Bye!